Hey guys,
Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to buy the UST by some simple steps. Before starting, if you not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe our channel. So now you need two apps that are the Binance and Station Wallet. As you can see here, this Binance and Station Wallet. Okay, first of all, open the Binance app and you can see here about here here is your profile. So click on the profile icon and you want to verify your identity here. So you can verify your identity by clicking on this here, verify now. You will get the verify now button, so click on that and verify your identity. So after clicking on here, you can get what means you can get here information that you want to verify, and after that here uh, go here scroll down and you can see here the option is the payment methods. Okay, so after clicking on payment method, you will see here the P2P payment method. Here is the P2P payment method here. So click on the P2P payment method, so click on this add payment here. So after clicking on add payment method, you want to add which payment method is recommended you by the Binance. This will depend on your country. I am from India, so they recommended me the Paytm, IMPS, UPI, bank transfer. You can see your recommendation payments in according to your country, so add that. After adding that, you want to give back and you can see the wallet option here. Wallet option, here's the wallet option, so click on the wallet option. After clicking on wallet option, you can see here the upside there is the funding option, so click on the funding option. After clicking on funding option, you can see here the P2P, so click on the P2P. So here you will see the how to buy the crypto, how to buy the fiat. So you can buy crypto and you can buy fiat also. So for buying, you need to click on this buy. After clicking on buy, you can see here the buy fiat and buy crypto. Click on buy crypto and click on the all. Or you want to buy, like if you want to buy the $500, so you can click here, means you can write here 500. So minimum here is a 630, so you can write here 700. Okay, so after writing here 630, you can see here buy with zero fee. Here you will get the zero, here you can buy with a zero fee, so click on buy with zero fee. After clicking on buy with zero fee, you can see the some steps that are the payment method, and after confirming your payment, you will get the USDT in your account successfully. Okay, by transferring your money to the account of that person, that are the P2P, person to person. Okay, after buying the USDT, you want to click on the trade. Here at the downside you can see the trade option, so click on trade and you want to click on this pair and search here Luna. So after searching here Luna and USDT pair, click on that and click on all USD that you want to exchange with Luna. So buy Luna. Then after buying Luna, you can see here the withdraw option, so click on here is the withdraw option, so click on withdraw option. Then after clicking on withdraw option, you want to click you want to search here Luna. So after searching Luna, you can add your address here. So for adding address, so here is the withdrawal is suspended and it will recover in some time. So here is the time when it will recover, here is the time. So now after coming here, you want to go in the Station wallet Terra Station wallet that will get will available on you, that will available on Play Store, and you can download the extension also of Terra wallet station. So after coming here, you want to copy this address, so click on simply copy. After copying, you click here and click paste here. So after paste, this network will automatically select, and here will be the some options that are the means that will there will be the options like how much you want to withdraw, so all, and click on withdrawal and confirm. So after confirming, the Luna will come here in your station wallet. After coming in the Luna station wallet, you can see here the swap option here downside. There is the swap option here, so click on simply swap. After clicking on swap, here you can click and click on UST, sorry, you click on Luna, search here Luna and select Luna coin, and downside select the UST. So after selecting UST, you can swap easily Luna to UST here. After swapping, that your work will be complete and UST will buy successfully. So I have explained how to buy the UST, and it's the easy steps. So thanks for watching, and if any doubt if any doubt, then you can ask me the question in the comments. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.